How's everybody doing? Today I have something special. We're gonna be restoring my childhood motorcycle. The first motorcycle I ever rode. Here she sits in all of her filthy glory. Had to dig her out from the farthest, darkest corner of the shop. Just put a little bit of air in the tires to get it to roll. But yeah, looks like we're gonna be in for a little bit of a fun project. Already got us a new engine to throw in there because I took the governor off this old one and the cousins ran it red line for a little bit too long, so she went kapow. But yeah, new project. All right. Sorry I didn't record the whole process, but got everything off. Ready to take the engine out, the old engine. Yeah, that's a good spot. All right. There she is. Alright, we are currently mounting the new engine. Let's see if I can get a good angle of this. Nice and tight on there. Rattle them loose. Alright. Gotta do some custom fab work. Drill out that hole so I can get that little throttle thing to fit through there. See if you can see this or not. Let's see if it fits now. Still does not fit. Need a bigger bit.